If the thought of video editing makes you want to quit or not even start a YouTube channel, this video is going to completely change your mind. I'm going to show you how to automate the whole video editing process using an AI tool called Pictory that will create videos for you in minutes. Getting set up with Pictory AI. The first thing you need to do is sign up for an account with Pictory AI. You can use the link in the description to sign up for a free trial, where you can try out every feature before making any commitments. Click on the link, then sign up using your details. Once you're in, you'll be able to find everything that you need. As you can see here, there are 5 main features: text to video, URL to video, the AI video editor, images to video, and PowerPoint to video. If you have everything that you need, like the script and voiceover, but you just want to edit your video, you can use their AI editor. If you have images that you want to add motion to, you can use the images to video feature. And if you have slides that you want to turn into something more exciting and engaging, you can use the PowerPoint to video feature. What I love about Pictory AI is that this tool lets you automate a huge part of the video editing process, especially if you're not super techie or don't have a lot of time. And if you're working on a faceless YouTube channel, where it's all about visuals, voiceovers, and storytelling, rather than showing your face, this tool might be exactly what you need to speed things up without compromising quality. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 of Pictory's features that I use the most: script to video and URL to video. Script to video. So let's say we're making a video for a faceless YouTube channel that shares tips on productivity. For this example, let's say our video is called 5 Quick Ways to Save Time in Your Daily Routine. The first thing we need to do is create our script, and don't worry if you're not a professional writer. You can use tools like Jasper AI to write a great script from scratch. I've made a detailed step-by-step video on how to write a script, so check that video out on my channel for the script writing part of the process. Once your script is ready, head over to the Pictory AI website, then click on the text to video option, enter your video name at the top, and then paste your script into this text box underneath. I'll go ahead and copy paste my productivity tips right in here. Next, click on Scene Settings and adjust it to Create New Scenes on Line Break. Then make sure that there's a line break after every sentence at least. This will make it so that there's different footage every few seconds, which makes the video less boring and keeps people watching for longer. Then click Proceed. Once you've done that, hit the Proceed button. This is where the magic happens. Pictory's AI analyzes your script line by line and starts generating a storyboard. Basically, it breaks your script into scenes and automatically selects visuals that match the content. You don't have to search for visuals yourself. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. But, and this is important, you're not locked into what it chooses. You have full control to make changes. Let's talk about that for a second. Once Pictory has generated your storyboard, you'll see a timeline at the bottom of the screen. Each scene corresponds to a line or 2 from your script, and above each scene, you'll see the video clip Pictory has chosen. If you're happy with it, great. But if not, it's super easy to tweak. For example, let's say we're not happy with this clip. You can click on the clip and a library of alternative visuals will pop up. Pictory's library is massive, with millions of royalty-free video and image assets to choose from, so you're bound to find something better. You can also upload your own visuals if you have something specific in mind. Okay, so now our visuals are sorted. Next, let's talk about voiceovers. This is where Pictory really stands out for faceless YouTube channels. You've got a few options here. If you like recording your own voice, you can do that directly within Pictory. Just hit the voiceover button, grab your mic, and start recording each scene. It's super straightforward, but let's say you're not comfortable recording your voice, or maybe you want to experiment with different accents or tones. Pictory has a built-in AI voice generator with dozens of options in multiple languages. These voices sound surprisingly natural, not robotic like some of the other tools out there. For our productivity tips video, let's say we want a friendly, approachable tone. We could choose one of the female AI voices that fits that vibe. You just click on the voice you want, and Pictory applies it to your video automatically. It even syncs the voiceover to match the timing of each scene, which is a huge time saver. Now that we've got visuals and a voiceover, it's time to add captions. This might not seem like a big deal, but captions can make a huge difference. A lot of people watch YouTube videos on mute, especially when they're scrolling through their phones, so having captions makes sure that they can still engage with your content. Pictory generates captions automatically for you. They're super accurate, but you can go in and tweak them if needed. For example, if the AI misinterprets a word or you want to emphasize something with capitalization, you can easily edit the text. At this point, your video is really starting to come together. But before we export it, let's talk about customization. Pictory gives you the option to add branding elements like logos, intro screens, and outro screens. For our productivity video, we could upload a simple logo and place it in the corner of every scene to make the video look more polished and professional. You can also customize the font, color scheme, and transitions to match your brand's style. It's these little touches that make your videos look like they were edited by a pro. Now for the final step, exporting. Once you've reviewed your video and you're happy with how it looks, click the export button. Pictory lets you choose from different resolutions, including 720 pixels and 1080 pixels, so you can pick the one that works best for YouTube. The export process is pretty quick, even for longer videos. When it's done, you'll have a finished video file ready to upload directly to your channel. Article 2 video. Pictory isn't limited to working from scripts. Let's say you come across an article online that you think would make a great YouTube video. Copy the URL of the article, then click on Pictory's URL to video feature. Now paste in the URL and click on Generate Video. Pictory will summarize the article and generate a script for you with scenes set out. Click on Next. Now the AI will break the article into key points and create a video storyboard for you, pulling relevant visuals for each section. You can click on this mic icon and apply an AI voiceover or record your own. You can then edit the visuals, text, and captions just like you would with a script-based project. It's another super simple way to create engaging content without starting from scratch. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel, Pictory is honestly one of the best tools you can use to streamline your workflow. It saves you time, gives you professional quality results, and doesn't require any advanced editing skills. So the next time you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed with video editing, give Pictory a shot. You might just wonder how you ever managed without it. Have you heard of Pictory AI before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.